Intensive care unit is for high-risk patients. Design and development of intensive care unit has been really focusing on supporting medical activities. But the experience of patients in it has been more or less overlooked. This distressing environment could lead to delirium. Slowly moving clouds, sunset changing its color, or the motion of the leaves in the breeze. Being exposed to this pattern distracts you, but in a pleasant way, because there is a strong link between nature and well-being. This element will be implemented into Philips Vital Sky, a personal lighting system to prevent delirium.